just straight up all the time. They don't call him Grand Slam Sam Walker for no reason. And if you're nice enough to him, he may take you to Disney World.
Bacon wrapped scallops, that's my go-to. I'm getting them here, and then Tuesday morning for breakfast at the State Fair. That's how we roll. Savage Inlet oysters. No silverware. It's all fingers. It's the way you're supposed to do it. Oh yeah. Crab, shrimp, and crawfish chowder from Shipwrecks in Kitty Hawk. Let's go. All right, doing the tuna bites from Jolly's. And look, I'm not a fish guy. I don't eat fish. You saw me eating the crab, shellfish. Heck yeah, all day. Oysters, all day. Clams, yeah. fish? Depends. The ginger. Oh yeah, this is all good. Yeah. Official wine of the Salmon M podcast, the Morton from Sanctuary Vineyards. And of course, we're going to have your chance to win tickets to the Big Curry Shuck coming up on November 30th. Be checking out Sam Walker, obxnews.com, and be listening to the Salmon M podcast for details on how you can win tickets to the Big Curry Shuck on Thanksgiving weekend at Sanctuary Vineyards. We will see you next time on a Sam Walker OBX News Sights and Sounds.